Hello guys, hello family, hello. Comment que nous y en a là? Je dis à ma petite one qui est haïtien qui parle dans l'épisode ça. On va recorder en créole. Today, let's have a real conversation, guys, about money. And then I am telling you, not in a stressful way, but in a smart and empowering way. And then remember, I'm not going to stress you out. Yes, we're gonna have a lot of fun. So grab your chair, grab your popcorn, and let's dive in. So, guys, because money is like fire, remember, if you control your money, it can cook your food and keep you warm. But if you let it control you, what's going to be happen? Guess what? It can burn down your entire house. And then, my people, listen. Many people work for money, and I'm telling some of us for our entire whole lives, okay? We do work for money. And then, most of you, or some of you, without learning how to make your money work for you. hmm I don't know why you don't choose that pathway. I'm not sure. Sometimes, guys, yes, I'm asking myself why people work so hard, but without even have a need to learn how to grow your own money, your hardest earning money. Anyways, maybe lack of, knowledge. And then guys, the truth is money is a tool, not a master. When you know how to budget, okay, invest and protect your income, you gain freedom. Freedom to say yes to right opportunities and no to the traps that drain your energy and your bank account. Yes. But guys, listen, but here's the catch. Grab your pen, grab your paper. Money doesn't grow just because we want it to, like you want it to. It grows when we manage it wisely. Yes. That means tracking where it goes, saving before spending, and multiplying it through smart investment instead of quick temptations like myself. So think of your money like a garden. You don't just throw seeds and hope for the best. You don't do that with your money. I okay, I'm not supposed to throw it like the verse said, like seeds. So then guys, one more thing. Let me repeat that part for you. You don't just throw the seed in the dirt and hope for the best. You plant, water, protect, and watch it grow. That's exactly it's supposed to be. The same goes for your finances, okay? So, guys, I have four practical steps for you. Okay, I'm gonna give you some hints, okay, how you can grow your money. Okay, first of all, grab a paper and a pen. Take some note. First, know your numbers. Always be aware of how much is coming in and going out. Because, guys, yes, you never know. You put $3,000, the bank, maybe something is happening. When you next time you're gonna go there, it probably, short even like $3 or $4. You never know. So pay good attention, okay? So pay yourself first, save before you spend, even if it is just a small amount. Pay yourself first, save before you spend, even if it is just a small amount. Make money multiply. Look for ways your money can earn more money, such as small investment, okay, skills that bring side income or safe opportunities that grow or over time. Okay, avoid emotional spending. Don't let feelings make financial decision for you and I. All right. Okay. So guys, I'm about to leave. So guys, remember. Money should be your servant, not your master. If you guide it, it will be taking you places, okay? So, one more time, if you guide it, if you guide your money, if I guide my money, it will take me or you places. Know that for a fact. If you let it guide you, it will drag you anywhere. All right. So today, guys, make a choice, make a statement, write something down, take your first step, make a decision. Decision matters. Okay. So take the lead. Your future self will thank you. I am telling you. It's not a lie, it's not a joke. I am telling you the truth. If it's today you decided to make that decision where you have a plan, you write a plan down how you're going to spend your money in the next 5 years. Okay, how you're gonna control it, not let your money controls you. I am telling you, you'll be amazed and happy. So, guys, before I let you go, I'm telling you, this was Coaching That Show, mind, body, and spirit. Let's keep learning, keep growing, and keep whining. Okay, guys? Not just in our wallet, but in our heart and minds too. Okay? See you in the next episode. So that was me, Cochinda. So I love you. I know you love the show. Please come back for the next episode, for the next devotion. Okay, and I hope you have a great day and bye. See you next time. Bye bye, guys. Next.